Welcome to our channel. While X, formerly Twitter, doesn't have a built-in proximity alert feature, you can use location settings and notification preferences to achieve similar functionality. Follow these steps to configure location-based features. Step 1. Open the X app on your mobile device and ensure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Tap your profile icon in the top left corner to access the main menu. Step 3. Select Settings and Privacy from the menu options. Step 4. Navigate to Privacy and Safety to access location and notification settings. Step 5. Tap on Location information and enable Precise Location if you want to share your exact location with X. Step 6. Enable location tagging for tweets if you want your posts to show where they were created. Step 7. Go to Notifications settings and customize which types of alerts you want to receive based on location-relevant content. Step 8. Consider using third-party apps or Twitter lists to track location-based content from specific users or hashtags in your area. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.